hit the button.
Okay, so if he hits the button, someone's gonna come and do this. Look at the window. Someone got the big guns. FBI, open up! Okay, so what we're gonna do, if you look at the top screen, you can see Ice Mountain. We're gonna go there and show, if you're a penguin lover, we're gonna show you how to get the penguin. Okay, look at him. Emmett, you want me to pick you up, or do you just want this? Well, let me pick you up, then I pick you up, and I'll fly it. Okay, that's it. Okay, get out. Get out. The police, chopper, you weapons. Helicopters? This one's trash. No! I'll pick you up.
But good thing there's an elevator here.
Okay, so I'm gonna be the first one. Dang, this is a nice helicopter. Well, if you find like these helicopters, you can just go right. Oh, dang it! No, I have to go on the stick. No, I don't. I have to go on the road. Wait for me. Can you wait for me? Wait for me. I need to check. Dang, this is fast. A little. Bicycle, bicycle. I forgot the words. Hey, you, Mr. Meeseeks. Hurry up. Okay, hit the button. Can I just pick it? We're both taking naps, as you can see. Wait, no, this is weird. Okay. Bicycle, bicycle, oh man, let's go. My butt's sticking up. I'm in a fart.
What's wrong then?
Wait, I can make the best sound, best fart sound ever. Ready? My friend can do it better. Okay, so now, so you go in like here.
And then you can press Y right here, and then you get some clothes.
And then
And
so
you can come in
go left. Go left.
Why? You can actually do any
Yeah, listen to him. And then you're gonna want to go in the middle one.
any of them.
You told me the middle one.
And I actually tried this one, and it's actually
Okay, then any of them. I'm gonna go in the sea rubber ducky.
no.
Oh, dude, this is actually nuts. Actually, it's not.
Superman.
Oh my god, I was in Ninja Store.
And as you can see, attack wings.
And then look on the bottom screen. Penguins.
And you need a metal detector.
Yeah, so you can buy a metal detector, like over here. so you can buy a medal.
And then...
Wait, Emmett.
We don't need those things. We don't need to buy those. They're already here. They're already here, man.
I know, I'm just trying to find like... It's not there?
The penguins are watching us.
Wait, Emmett, should I go grab one of them?
Sure. Can I try getting my dog in here? My dog.
Oh, so he means his pet dog. You can buy like a pet dog.
And penguins.
Yeah, you can
Buy lots of them. Not all of them.
We'll show you like
Like you can't do.
we'll show you where the place is at, like
I know
in
where it is.
we'll show you where it is, like sometime in this video.
Good job.
I mean, you're supposed to go somewhere over here.
I'm gonna go through that.
Oh, you're gonna
Yep, I see it. Do I do not.
I mean, just go in there.
Oh, I already got it. Wee!
Yeah, try. If you want to escape, just go in one of those. Oh my god! Just go in one of those holes, and then you can come out.
Right here. Goodbye.
Emmett, can you grab the metal detector?
Yeah.
Actually, we'll both grab them. Ah! Oh, right in my head. That made that. That made a ching chong bing bong. That made my head hurt. You just need one. Give me that. Here, put it in the back of the truck.
I like how these vehicles
Don't do that. I'm gonna grab the middle detector. Wait, what if it's penguin treasure? You can press it. Here, I'll hang on.
You got a show?
Oh yeah. Later in this video too, we might show you where the temple is, and we can like show you how to get in. That's stuff. And Emmett doesn't like doing the other stuff, so just everybody say boo to Emmett.
There's someone stuck in here, by the way.
I think I already showed him that. No, I didn't. Yeah, he's a flappy bird.
Wait, David, look what I just found right here.
Wait a second.
Sliding, yes. Walking, no.
Wait. What is that?
Oh, sliding, yes. Why can't we walk? Slower if we walk.
Yeah, so that's what the thing is. And
You getting close?
so if it beeps like this, you're really close. And then dig. So I'm just digging. There's a treasure. Wait, what is this?
What is it? Son of broken. Ooh, now that seems good. And bye-bye then, metal detector. I'm going
Wait, if you're going with the metal detector, then why did you say bye? You said bye, metal detector. I'm going with you. You suck. I'm kidding. I've played these games before.
run the middle.
I've played these games before. Don't move when the ball says red light. Move when it says green light. Whoever watches Squid Game. Whoever is a Squid Game lover, please like it. I'm begging.
And if you want to respawn, you press 3 lines. Then
If you're on the right console. If you're on Xbox. Emmett. I think there's something on here.
okay. Try holding on to it. You should get rid of your pedal.
No. On the island you can find different stuff. It works!
I do it.
Okay, so if you see the top screen, just hold it. Just hold this.
Hold this one if you want to do it.
There's a cave!
It's the same thing.
No metal detector! Oh, good thing is I can buy it.
This is the same thing, but just see that?
Yeah, that's how you. You should do island.
Island? This one? Plane. If you want to flop down, that's nice. He's talking to me.
If you look on the top screen, you can see one of these. These nuts.
This is the father's child.
Wait, we can buy a pet. We can buy a dog. We have $500.
After this,
Okay. It's burning hot out here. Wait! Crap. So guys, I'm gonna show you how to get in the pyramid. Sorry about that, guys. I am a small man. Okay, so there should be these 3 bombs on here.
make sure to not let go.
Yeah. So you're gonna wanna pick a bomb, let go, and then
Watch you.
I just went wee wee up and wee wee up. And you can grab one of these torches with your phones if you have. So you can grab the torch and you're gonna wanna pick that. Then you can see all these stuff. Drop the tail, $32. And make sure to not step on these pressure. Or you'll get sent back to another dimension. And then so right when these go, right like that, you're gonna wanna jump. That's how I made it.
I have no idea how to do this.
So you're supposed to like do this and shine it at one of these mirrors. never mind. You're supposed to take these and make onto these little diamond things.
And just to remind you guys, don't crash a plane. Oh, actually. Free.
Yeah, you'll go. You'll go. I believe I can.
And if you look at the bottom screen, this is the pistol.
Yeah. Wait, how much are you? 7.
You can choose a
And you can like change the name. Yes, you can. Yeah, he's gonna buy a puppy. And I'm gonna change my puppy's name to Tina.
Wait, how do you change it?
Sorry. Guys, I am so sorry I didn't get to like do the other stuff. I just want a pet. Actually, I care about you guys, but okay, we'll show you the pyramid in like a minute. So that's just like a previous trailer.
Wait, there's an X down here. There's an X. This on.
In my other
This
video,
is how you get out.
so in our other video, we showed you how to get this car, right? So. Okay, so he's gonna do some like that.
Ow.
Oh. You should play with the puppy. Play with it. Scruffy? Is that your puppy's name? Scruffy?
Ah, I'm hanging. I'm just hanging here.
I don't have to
This thing used to be my favorite thing in the park.
zip line.
Yeah.
It's my favorite thing to do in the park. I like the
And in
swings.
real life.
I like the swings, monkey bars, and swings, monkey bars, and zip lines.
You forgot one.
Deedle, cedar, solder, tater, totter.
I'm just gonna have fun of this thing. I'm just gonna have fun of it.
He's sitting.
There is.
He's standing up well. Where's the pet store?
Mine smelled out over there. And it has a green roof. And it's hot.
Wait, guys, I'm gonna show you, after I buy my pet, I'm gonna show you guys something. I'm gonna show you guys something. You're probably saying, what are you gonna show me? Good Sniper Joe, what are you gonna show me? You'll see.
Red. Oh, yeah. Two.
I know, I'm just seeing what else I can do.
Oh, wait, what's my dog walking on? Air? Oh, no.
1,000? These are all of them.
Ah? Well, that was way over there. Ah! But if you look at the bottom screen... Yeah!
I want mine to be like a city.
This is my dog walking.
Wait, what if I made my dog Bluey?
Oh, that's a good one.
Oh.
Because Bluey is a dog.
No, like the color Bluey. Well, the color. The black dog? I like this one. Wait, no! I want to change his name.
Oh, you want Scruffy.
Scruffy dog.
You forgot to get rid of. Wait, what are you doing? What's it doing? Oh, TV.
Where's the dog? Oh, his name is
And if you can't spawn the thing in, you have to find it. So if you look on the bottom screen, it's down here.
I mean, we already showed him on the okay, so guys, look. So this is how to do something. First, what other character you're gonna wanna look. If you watched it, you're gonna want to call in. It's on the top screen. So you're gonna want to do this, and look. Ready?
Roger Cow!
Go! And if I select go! I believe I can fly. And they go launching, by the way. Boom! unless you buy it. If you buy them without taking them. Guys, can we go wee-wee? I'm gonna go wee-wee too. Scruffy! Oh, it just farted. Yeah! Oh my god, I've never done this before. Oh, it just, I just couldn't. You wanna see one thing that this thing can do? Oh my god, I almost killed him.
I just want to.
No! No! No!
The train is not there.
Well, you can drive the train at least. Now I have $41 from buying this puppy.
I have more than that.
No, you do not.
Yes, I don't. Yes, I don't.
Jelly donut. No. I want to play with you. I want to play with Scruffy in the park.
Wait, how?
I'm going to play with Scruffy in the park.
What that do you press?
Let's go. First, I'm going to go flying with this. I'm going to find the park. Where did this come from? Oh. Okay, I'm at the car. Come here, Scruffy. And enter.
How did you do that?
Emmett, can you seesaw with me?
Sure. Just gonna take this bear cube. What? It's not here?
Oh, now you're closer.
No, I was literally down there.
Bro, why are you going down there? Come here, boy.
Come here, boy.
Hey guys, whoever's watching this, in my last video I said if it's too dizzy, just
Wait, are you at the park?
yeah. I'm behind you. Look down. Down. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is take this table. Okay. So that's the end of the video. So bye, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.